In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to the Walmart app or continue as a guest. To keep things simple, we'll walk through the sign-in flow together, and I'll point out where the guest option fits in so you can choose what works best for you. Start by opening the Walmart app on your device. If the layout on your screen looks a little different from mine, that's okay. App designs update from time to time, but the options we need are the same. On the welcome screen, you'll usually see two choices. You can sign into your account, or you can continue as a guest. Continuing as a guest is great for quick browsing and checking prices, while signing in unlocks more features like saved addresses, order history, and personalized recommendations. For this demo, I'm going to choose the sign-in path. Tap the sign-in button. When the sign-in screen appears, you'll be asked for your phone number or your email address. Type the one that's linked to your Walmart account. Take a second to check for typos, especially extra spaces, missing dots, or an auto-corrected domain, since even small mistakes can prevent the next screen from loading correctly. If your keyboard covers the button on smaller screens, just dismiss the keyboard or scroll so you can see everything clearly. Once your phone number or email is entered, tap Continue. That's the prompt that tells the app to verify what you entered and move you along. If you're using a device with strong autofill settings, make sure it didn't drop in an old address by accident before you continue. After you tap Continue, the app takes it from there and guides you through whatever comes next for your account, so just follow the on-screen instructions. If you decided you don't need to sign in right now, remember you can back up to that welcome screen and choose Continue as Guest instead. It's a quick way to look around without signing in, and you can always return to the sign-in option later when you're ready. If your screen shows the options in a different spot, sometimes Continue, as Guest appears at the bottom of the screen and Sign In sits near the top. Don't worry, the labels are the same. A stable internet connection also helps the Continue button respond quickly, so if things feel slow, give it a second and try again. And that's it. You opened the Walmart app, chose the sign-in flow, entered your phone number or email, and tapped Continue. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.